do something, why wouldn't you trust the company that has been rated #1 for the last 7 years? That's right, guys. I'm talking about Arizona Painting Company, and I'm standing here with Doug Caris, the CEO and part owner. Doug, thank you so much for having us in today.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming.
So awesome. The space is great. I love the logo. Everything is so beautiful in here. But before we get into kind of the nitty-gritty of everything that you guys do, give me an overview of Arizona Painting Company and why you do what you do.
Yeah, so we're a residential and commercial painting company. So we do interior, exterior, and we started as just a residential, but we've really grown our commercial side of our business in the last few years.
That's cool. So you guys do inside, outside, homes, businesses.
Businesses, yes, all of the above.
You guys do it all. I absolutely love that. That's really, really cool. And so tell me about some of the other things that you guys are doing as you're kind of growing, more people are getting to know you, you're adding services.
Yeah, so 2 years ago, we started an epoxy division. So we do now offer floor coatings to, maybe residentially if somebody in the garage wants floor coating, or in their business, we do warehouse floors. And we also offer window washing and solar panel cleaning.
Wow, that is so cool. So those are some pretty big jobs then.
Yeah, they can be, absolutely. We're doing a 36,000 square foot warehouse currently. We're almost finished up with it.
Wow, so you guys really are equipped to do it all, like the big jobs, the small jobs. I absolutely love that.
Yeah.
And then I know coming up in the next few months, it's a really good time, especially for residential homeowners. Now is the time to paint.
Yes, so weather cooling off, right? We've had a long, hot summer. We've had a lot of rain, we've had monsoons. Coming up, October and November are two of our busiest months of the year. So this is a great time to paint while the weather gets cool and before family comes into town for Thanksgiving, Christmas. Yeah, it's a phenomenal time to paint.
That's such a great point. I wouldn't have thought of that, but yeah, before your family comes into town, make sure your paint is looking top notch, because that is going to be that first thing they see. It's going to make everything pop and look gorgeous. People are going to be blown away. And so tell us also where you guys work in the Valley.
So we work all over the Valley. So we have an office, our main office is here in Chandler, but we also have an office in Glendale. So we cover all the way up to New River, and then all the way down to Casa Grande, and then as far as you can go east or west.
That's so great. So you really cover the Valley of the Sun all over. I love it. And you guys you weren't ranked #1 for nothing. I mean, you guys have some amazing reviews. Tell me what people say about you guys.
So my goal as as the owner of our company is to make sure that we're making it easy on our customers. So when we get a great review, it's typically, they made it really easy for me to get my house painted. They cleaned up, they didn't leave a mess, and they did exactly what they said they were going to.
And man, I mean, I've definitely had my home painted before. What an amazing thing to come home and see how beautiful your home looks. And they've cleaned up. That's amazing. They made it easy and they cleaned up. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. So before we go, tell everyone where they can find you. Give us your social, your website, all that good stuff.
Yeah, so you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Our office is here in Chandler, but you can find us on our website, arizonapaintingcompany.com, and call our office at 602-648-3071.
Awesome, Doug. Well, I'm all the way up in North Phoenix, but since I know you do the whole Valley, maybe I'll be giving you a call here soon.
Yeah, we'd love to work with you.
All right. Thanks so much, Doug. Appreciate it.
Thank you.